Want to make your home more stylish, smart, and comfortable? Then this video is just for you. We've brought you 5 amazing home essentials from Amazon, from decor to cleaning, all in one place. Let's get started.
Number 1.
Tired of inflexible, boring wall lights? Meet the Good 8 wall sconces. Total lighting control at your fingertips. Picture this, relaxing in your living room, adjusting light from your sofa. Customize color temperature. Warm 3000K to cool 6500K steplessly. Adjust brightness seamlessly from a gentle 10% up to 100%. Set it once. The memory function recalls your last setting every time. Choose your installation. Hardwire for a sleek look or plug-in for flexibility. No electrician needed. Easy DIY setup with all parts included. Control with the remote or use the switch on the cord for quick changes. Rotate both tubes 180 degrees. Shape the light to fit any space or mood. Perfect for bedrooms, TV sides, offices, giz, hallways, and more. Set the timer, auto shut off after 30 minutes for peace of mind. Nightlight mode creates a soft glow, ideal for kids and partners. Minimalist matte black design elevates any modern interior. Energy efficient, eye-friendly LEDs, no flicker, no glare. Upgrade your lighting. Try Good 8 wall sconces today.
Number 2.
Tired of bulky ironing boards taking up space? Meet your new foldable ironing board. Compact and efficient. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or even your RV. Folds flat in seconds. Hang it up with the built-in hook. No more clutter. Enjoy a tidy, organized home. Iron holder keeps your iron safe and within reach. Large 35 by 13-inch surface fits shirts, pants, and dresses. Smooth out wrinkles on suits or delicate fabrics easily. Made from sturdy carbon steel, built to last for years. Mesh structure dissipates heat quickly, protecting your clothes. Heat-insulating net shields dark and expensive garments. Ideal for quick touch-ups before work or special events. Great for sewing enthusiasts and travelers alike. Upgrade your ironing routine. Save space, save time. Ready for a smarter, neater laundry experience? Click now to get your foldable ironing board today.
Number 3.
Tired of dull, unflattering bathroom lighting? Upgrade to the Epinel Gold Bathroom Vanity Light Fixture. Perfect for makeup, shaving, or daily routines. 4000K natural light. Closest to daylight for true color. No more color distortion when applying makeup. High-quality crystal and gold-plated stainless steel design. Elegant modern style elevates any bathroom instantly. 40W LED saves up to 80% on electricity bills. Lasts up to 50,000 hours. No frequent replacements needed. Flicker-free technology protects your eyes during use. Even light distribution. No harsh shadows on your face. Easy one-person installation with US standard backplate. Ideal for homeowners, makeup lovers, and modern decor fans. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. Transform your bathroom. Choose Epinel Gold Vanity Light today.
Number 4.
Tired of pet hair and dust piling up everywhere? Meet the Cordless vacuum cleaner, your cleaning game changer. Imagine spotless floors, carpets, and furniture effortlessly. Powerful 28 kPa suction captures pet hair, crumbs, and debris fast. No more tangled brush heads. The V-shape anti-tangle brush saves time. Switch seamlessly between hardwood, carpet, and tiles. No brush change needed. Enjoy up to 45 minutes of runtime. Clean your whole home in one go. 2 adjustable suction modes handle every mess, big or small. Large 1.5L dust cup means less emptying, more cleaning. One-touch dust release, no more touching dirt or mess. Lightweight cordless design, easy to carry, easy to use anywhere. Flexible LED floor brush, headlights up, hard to reach corners. Fully sealed cyclone filtration plus washable HEPA keeps air fresh. Perfect for pet owners, busy families, and apartment dwellers. Upgrade your cleaning routine. Make chores faster and easier. Try the Chibio cordless vacuum today. Clean smarter, not harder.
Number 5.
Looking for the ultimate cozy upgrade for your space? Meet the Bedsure White Throw Blanket, where comfort meets style. Picture relaxing after class or work wrapped in plush softness. Perfect for dorms, living rooms, or adding flair to your bed. Crafted from premium microfiber, it's ultra soft and gentle. Striped flannel fleece delivers a plush, cloud-like feel daily. Lightweight warmth means comfort without any heavy layers. Ideal for study breaks, movie nights, or chilly mornings. Gift-ready design, perfect for birthdays, teachers, or students. A thoughtful present that brings lasting comfort and joy. Durable stitching and machine washable, built for everyday life. Colors stay vibrant even after repeated washes. Versatile style fits, modern boho or classic room decor. Upgrade your comfort. Transform your space with Bedsure today. Ready to experience everyday coziness? Grab yours now.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.